Okay, so I'm a DoorDash person, right? I love me a good meal. And sometimes I don't always want to go and get it. So, DoorDash, the app, I want to say this disclaimer first that I enjoy the app, right? But there's a little problem, right? When I go through the app and I try to find black owned businesses, it's like a needle in a haystack. And actually, we are all going to do it together. So, how about everybody grab their phones? Hmm. Let's all go to the DoorDash app. Oh, the glare. Just to show y'all, I'm on the DoorDash app. And I think it's the screen behind me that's making it hard to see, but we're going to get to it. Okay, so I'm going to the search bar. And in this, I gotta find it. Okay, whatever. In the search bar, I'm gonna put black owned business. All right, now, so I'm in Houston, right? So they have Black Walnut Cafe. They have Kenny and Ziggy New York. Now, I don't know if these two are black owned, but why is Randall's the third? Then we got a Mexican cuisine. Then we got empanadas. This is the problem I have, right? Because when you go to home and you go to the top, I see Chinese, I see American, I see Italian, I see Mexican. So let's go to Mexican. You go to Mexican, all Mexican restaurants. It ain't just the top two. Literally. Okay. Let's go to another one. Chinese. It ain't just the first two. Yeah, we still going. All Chinese. Then I see we have a browse section, so I'm like, okay, cool. It's more options. Japanese, Greek, African. And let's not confuse African American with African because it's a difference in food. Ethiopia, Irish. Oh, they got Mexican and Spanish. French. Argentine, British, German. And they stuff go down to the nines. So I think you guys are getting my point. Why is it so hard for us to find black owned restaurants on the DoorDash app? It should not be this hard. And let's try B.O.B. Nah, baby, they got Bob Lounge. So you put black owned businesses, you put B.O.B. businesses, y'all only get two options. How is that so? In Houston, that makes no sense at all. So I'm just wondering, what do you have to do to get a black owned section? I mean, everybody else got their section. So I'm just trying to figure out how we can get our section. I wonder if black owned businesses have asked DoorDash to have a black owned section. I don't know the history of it. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first to notice this. So this is mind blowing. So I think what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go around, ask black owned businesses in Houston specifically, and ask, have y'all ever asked DoorDash for a black owned section, or how we can add one in there to make it more convenient as we make others more convenient as well. And then let's see where it goes from there. I'll keep y'all up on this journey. Like I said, I'm gonna create a list. I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna ask about DoorDash and Uber Eats. I have not looked into the Uber Eats to see if it has a black owned section, but I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't. But I'm gonna do my due diligence, and I'm gonna search before I speak on Uber Eats. But I know for DoorDash, for sure, you gotta do better. And I'm gonna keep y'all on this journey. I'm gonna let y'all know what I find. If they've even asked, if they did ask, how far did they get? Some might not have asked at all. I'll let y'all know.